In light of the devastating impact of Hurricane Helene's flooding, the Rusty Wallace family of dealerships are stepping up to help these communities by serving as a drop-off point for flood relief supplies.
We urge everyone to join us in this important effort by donating essential items to support those affected. The devastation is real, and this is our opportunity to reach out and help our neighbors in their time of need. Our team is committed to ensuring that all contributions reach those in need, and we appreciate your compassion and generosity during this challenging time.
Together, we can make a meaningful difference and provide much-needed assistance to our neighbors. Thank you for your support and generosity.